Hey guys, welcome back to part 34 of the best expensivest gaming computer you have ever done diddly seened. Got a custom case in here just to catch everyone up. Got a custom part in here because this thing didn't come with enough screws to mount multiple hard drives. So I had to harvest them down here. That's just what you get when you buy a high quality case and know what you're doing at all times. Then that means that those are just gone now. So we're gonna manufacture custom build another pepperoni. Gonna make another fucking part here. It's just gonna cover that bitch up. So just tearing over there. Yep, that fucking didn't work. Let's cut away from myself and I'll cut myself in the leg. That probably wouldn't. Get the fuck open, cocksucker. Okay, now that we got the custom part made, here's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna grab some crystal clear box tape. Fuck, I need both hands for this. And we're gonna get some of this here tape and we're gonna just kind of get her in there a little bit. There we go. Get that all wrapped up in there nice and tight. Boom! Now nothing is ever going to damage that ever again. And I'll update you guys with the performance in the coming months. Check out me out on the Twitch and Twitter at my pussy wet.